All right, Jimmy, I have your Oh My God remix finished up. So let's go through all the parts real quick. So this is the remix 5.5-inch frame. You got the purple hardware. I'm not sure. I think you have to buy that separate. I don't know, but maybe you could let me know. Because the last one that I got, it just came with orange hardware, and it used to come with gold hardware. But now I see on like Race Day Quad's website, they have like a bunch of different colors of just the hardware that you can buy, but it's like 30 bucks. So I'm wondering if you bought this hardware and it came with orange or gold. I'm really curious. Because I was, on the last one I got, I was really hoping for it to come with gold, and it came with orange. I've never seen it come with orange, and I've done a few of these before, and they always came with gold, but yeah. Anyway, man, that purple looks so nice, especially the Brain 3D printed parts. That purple just looks so nice. I'm not a big fan of purple, but this type of purple I kind of like. It looks really good. So yeah, you got the remix frame, you got the hype train. These are the original hype train motors, the 2450 kV. Pretty sweet motors. You have the Hobby Wing F4 stack with the 35 amp 4-in-1 F4 flight controller. You have the Rotor Riot Swift 2 camera. There is a Unify Pro V3 in there, right here in the back. And Smart Audio is hooked up, and you can also get to the button. Let's see. Yeah, you can get to it from right here. Or on the side right here. It's right there. So, and then the receiver you can see on the bottom here. It almost got covered up by the Brain 3D. I can't see now, hold on. Shit, I'm gonna have to open that back up and pull that back a little bit. I had it right in this hole right here. Ugh! When I had to take it back apart again to put the printed stuff on, it must have moved. Although I don't know how it could have, because I'm using that Gorilla foam tape on there. All right, well I'll fix that, and you'll be able to see the bind button right here in the. Actually, you don't need to worry about binding obviously because I have your radio, but I'll still move it back so that the bind button's right there in the middle of the M, where it says remix. All right, so moving on, and that is the X4R, and I did depin it and decase it and just put clear heat shrink over it. Fox ear pagoda, antenna tubes. That's about it. Oh, and some Jim Fan 5152 props. So I do already have it bound up to your radio. It's all set up. Oh, I also set up the buzzer. It's actually the BL Heli buzzer or D-Shot buzzer. So let me show you that real quick. So I'm gonna turn the radio on. You can see it says remix, so that's the model you want. Arm is this one towards you. And air mode is always on, which you want, trust me. This in the middle is the buzzer. Okay, so let's plug it in. I'll turn on the buzzer real quick. Alright, so that's your buzzer. Now let's get this turned around. We'll do a quick test hover. I haven't even hovered it yet, so I'm hoping that it goes well. Alright, here we go. Fingers crossed. Oh, hell yeah. Alright. Oh yeah. Woo! Alright. So it is flying wonderful. Flying real nice. I did flash the flight controller to 3.5.1, which is the newest Betaflight. It had like 3.1 something on it, so the flight controller must have been sitting for a while. But yeah, it's good to go now. Oh, I'll try to show you the video real quick too. Let me turn this off. Oh, guess I shouldn't have turned the radio off. So if you turn the radio off, it'll also start beeping. That's for if you lose receiver signal. So I'm just gonna turn the radio back on real quick. There we go. So yeah, I forgot about that. I checked both the boxes. So you have beep on a switch, plus you have receiver loss beep. So if you lose receiver signal and the quad goes down, it'll just start beeping. So show you the video real quick. And I did also unlock the VTX, so, and I put it at max power, so it's on 800 milliwatts, and it's on channel F1. And there you go. It's looking real nice. So everything is good to go. So I'll get this boxed up and shipped back to you tomorrow, Saturday, and I'll send you over some tracking. Let me know if you have any questions. All right.